Did the Romans poison themselves with their own plumbing? It's a shocking question, but let's dive into the lead pipes of ancient Rome. The Romans were engineering geniuses, creating incredible aqueducts that brought fresh water to their bustling cities. To distribute this water, they used extensive networks of lead pipes, or fist. We can even see inscriptions on them today. But here's the twist: lead is toxic. For years, historians have debated whether widespread low-level lead poisoning contributed to health problems or even the decline of the Roman Empire. While it probably wasn't the single cause of the fall, studies of ancient Roman skeletons do show elevated lead levels. It's a fascinating and slightly chilling reminder that even the greatest innovations can have hidden costs. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical deep dives.